Done. Let's go ahead and move that to our springform pan and press that into the bottom until it's all nice and covered. And there is our delicious keto cheesecake batter. Now, let's go ahead and add this to the pan. Perfect and all ready for the oven. So let's bake this cheesecake for an hour and a half at 300 degrees until your cheesecake is firm and has kind of a, well, you know, a slight jiggle. So your cheesecake is baked, it's cooled at room temperature for a half hour, it's chilled in the fridge for 5 hours. The weight was killing me. But after all that, you will have your delicious keto cheesecake. It just looks perfect and I cannot wait to dive into this. I think it's well enough time we dive into this for a yummy, delicious taste test. Now if you would like to jazz up this cheesecake, you can add in some blueberries or some sliced strawberries, or a little bit of both. Look at that perfect cheesecake texture. Love how it just melts in your mouth. It's just so good and so perfect. I think I'm gonna have to finish this after we're done here. So good. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below, and if you try and make this perfect keto cheesecake, give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or all the social places. Until next week, bye!